Hi, Peter Robertson from William Porches Properties. Welcome to 86B Waratah Avenue here in Dalkeith. This is an absolutely fantastic single level villa, all on one level in the heart of the Dalkeith Village, offering 3 bedrooms and so much accommodation. Let's have a look through. Here we are in the big open plan, generous main living lounge and dining space. This has got an abundance of natural north-facing light pouring in through these big windows that overlook the forecourt. And we go around the corner here to a modern kitchen. We've got a fantastic master bedroom off to one side and some excellent secondary bedrooms beyond. The kitchen is light, bright and modern, a fantastic space, all the appliances you could ask for, tons of storage, opens beautifully to the dining space, an excellent connection through to the covered alfresco beyond. So that's it, folks. 86B Waratah Avenue here in the heart of Dalkeith. An absolutely brilliant single level villa, light, bright, spacious, private, secure, no steps, right in the heart of the action. We really look forward to showing you through.